The laser engraving world has exploded in popularity over recent years, with a growing demand for bespoke products showcasing designs on sites like Etsy and Facebook Marketplace, with the cost of engraving machines being drastically cheaper in recent years. A company hoping to grab your hard-earned money is Atezr. This is the Ateza L2 24-watt laser engraver, equipped with impressive features right out of the box. One such feature is its compatibility to operate at faster speeds, and that's ranging from 24,800mm a minute to 56,000mm a minute, which is ranging well over 3 times swifter than many of its competitors in the market currently. Consequently, this leads to a 40 to 60% reduction in project completion time. In addition, this product features power loss recovery technology that allows the L2 to resume its function even after a power outage. These are just a few of the benefits it offers, so let's explore its capabilities a little further by first unboxing it. There is some building required when setting up the L2, but thanks to its premium build quality and Lego-like building procedure, this can be achieved in less than an hour. Let's speed through the process. So step 1, we need to install the X and Y axis rails. As mentioned, this is pretty much plug and play in terms of building, everything slides in. The key is not to over tighten the 18 screws until fully constructed. This really is the only time consuming part. Once the base has been built, we're going to want to insert and lock the transfer shaft. For the next stage, it's best to turn the machine over vertically. By doing this, it will allow us to push the left and right Y-axis sliders to the bottom. Step 4 tells us to insert and lock the transfer shaft in place using the 2 supplied screws on either side. Step 5 will need us to remove the 2 side caps that help with stability and alignment. The same goes for step 6, we need to remove the X-axis top cover. Thankfully, we are almost done. Now we can insert the X-axis rail. This is best to do by pushing the rails all the way to the bottom and then screw into place. Step 8 will require us to install the limiter switch. This can be quite fiddly, so do take your time. Now we can go ahead and add our laser module. This is rather simple, it just simply slots on the bracket and tightens into place. Wiring up is rather simple too and requires little to no knowledge. There is a total of 9 ports that need to be plugged in, but to be honest, it is really impossible to get them wrong. Now all that's left to do is install the X-axis top cover and then the side caps. And there we go, we should achieve a fully operational device in less than no time. The Z-axis game has been improved with automatic focus adjustment and lifting features in that module design. These smart features adjust the focal length automatically by moving the laser module with a range of 10 to 40mm based on the thickness of the material being used. This ensures that the laser is always at the right distance, avoiding blurry engravings and increasing the cutting capacity by 4mm. As a result, starting the cutting procedure requires minimum effort. With the laser module, you can easily monitor the power usage on the module through its built-in LEDs. Additionally, a new automatic air assist feature has been added to provide smarter heat dispersion. The double layer air filtration cover also ensures better dust dispersion, and to be honest, it just prevents debris from cluttering your workspace. These smart features added to this device make the plug and play experience much easier. It is really easy to get up and working. This machine can be operated in a few ways. First, you can indeed use the offline with the added touchscreen controller. However, we do have compatibility with both Mac and Windows via Lightburn for Mac, and either Lightburn or Laser GBRL for Windows. Impressively though, we also have compatibility with the Smart app. For me though, being able to use Lightburn and saving everything to a USB stick for offline use is just fantastic. Within Lightburn, we can simply and easily use the interface to create something that we want. Thankfully, all the settings you need to get this up and running can be downloaded from the official website, which I'll link below, so you don't really need to do anything, it's all set for you. So here I'm going to create an engraved coaster, something that's personalised. So what I've done is I've set a circle to the size of which I know the coaster is, and I'm going to create a design within that. Now obviously this is all going to depend on the material you have, so it is worth taking a look at the website and the information provided on materials and needed engraving powers. It kinda takes the guessing work away for you. Even a simple print of this size can be printed very quickly compared to others I've used in the past. The precision of the laser partnered up with that automatic accurate positioning of the actual engraving point makes for a really nice end result. You may find it to be a bit of trial and error to get those settings correct, but for me it actually worked first time. Now this model is certainly able to cut materials as well, but this really is an engraving piece of kit that really specializes in that. As mentioned, I can save a design directly from Lightburn onto an SD card preloaded with all the correct parameters and power outputs, and use the onboard controller to provide an offline cutting experience. For me, this is the best way of using it. It's very simple. The Ateza L2 laser has impressive capabilities, there's no doubt about that. And it just keeps delivering as it's able to penetrate over 100 materials and cut through 40mm of black acrylic effortlessly. This machine enables users to produce detailed designs and patterns on a wide range of materials, providing limitless creative options. This engraving tool is suitable for both personal and industrial applications, offering accuracy, flexibility, and effortlessness to meet all your engraving requirements. Whatever you engrave on or simply cut, you are getting very fast results. The output of each piece is very impressive and precise. I really wish I could show you more, but this video will be far too long. All in all, this machine is incredibly easy to use and equipped with smart features such as cross-positioning autofocus, Z-axis automatic syncing for cutting materials, and resume engraving in case of power failure. All this comes in handy to produce an easy-to-use machine with enhanced engraving speeds. Be sure to check out the Ateza L2 in the link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.